Hello everyone, we're going to go over the solution for the worksheet of multiplying monomials by a binomial, followed by the solutions for multiplying binomials. Let's get right into it. So for this method, we are going to be using our box method, so it shouldn't be that bad. So the first thing you want to do is you want to set it up. You can bring this term to the bottom and those two terms to the right over here, right above the box. So now the first thing you do is you multiply the coefficients. 2 times 1 is 2, and you know that for the variables you're gonna multiply, keep the variable, and add the exponent. So this will be 1 plus 6, which is 7. Here, multiply the coefficients. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. A to the first times a to the third will be a to the fourth power, since we add the exponents. And that is it. We can always rewrite it if we want. You don't have to, since the answer is already there. Right, next one, bring it over here. Negative x squared plus 3. So for this one, x times, so let's do the coefficients. Negative 1 times negative 1 will be positive x. And then 1 plus 2 is 3. And the y doesn't have anybody, so you just bring it or carry along. For this one, will be negative 3xy. And let's go to the next one. This is going to be, let me just write down the answer so that we are all good. For this one, negative p 5r to the fifth plus 4q to the third. This will be negative 5 pr to the fifth, and this will be negative 4 pq to the third. So it'll be negative 5 pr to the fifth minus 4 pq to the third. Okay, next one, we're just gonna put the number negative 9 here. Negative 12 minus 6, this is negative 12m squared, and then negative times a negative is a positive, and 9 times 12 is 108. M to the second power, negative and negative is a positive, and that would be positive 54. So my answer should be 108 m to the second power plus 54. So far so good. Pause it if you need to. I'm gonna keep going. All right, my next ones I need to do is number 5. 5t to the fifth minus 7t to the fourth minus 11t to the third. Positive 5 times negative 7 will be negative 35. The t's, you carry the t and you add the exponents. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 times negative 11 will be negative 55. T to the fifth times t to the third. Keep the t and add the exponents. 5 plus 3 is 8. My final answer will be negative 35 t to the 9 power minus 55 t to the 8. Next, I have 13z squared 5z to the third plus 3z squared. 13 times 5 is 65. Keep the z, add the exponents. 2 plus 3 is 5. 13 times 2 is 26. Keep the z, add the exponents. 2 plus 2 is 4. Leaving me with my final answer to be 65 z to the fifth plus 26 z to the 4. And we are almost done for the first worksheet. Negative 3u to the third, u to the third times v to the second minus v to the fourth. And we're just multiplying, okay? This will be negative 3u to the 6, since we add the exponents. The v doesn't have anybody, so we just carry along. This is negative 1, so negative 3 times negative 1 will be positive 3. This is a u, and then v. So u to the third and v to the fourth. Leaving my final answer to be negative 3 u to the 6, v to the second, plus 3u to the third v to the 4th power. Last but not least, 8 8w to the 6 minus 10w to the 6 plus 8w squared. This will be negative 80w to the 12, since 6 plus 6 is 12, and 8 times 8 is 64, w to the 8. And final answer should be negative 80 w to the 12th power plus 64 w to the 8. I hope you got all of them right. Now let's go to part 2.